Imagine looking up at the night sky and realizing the moon looks bigger than it did yesterday. At first, nobody notices, but over the next few weeks, it keeps growing. Scientists soon confirm the impossible. The moon is no longer orbiting Earth. It's falling toward us. There is nothing humanity can build, nothing we can launch, and nowhere on Earth that will be safe. This is the timeline of the moon crashing into Earth. Day 1. The impossible discovery. Astronomers are the first to notice something is wrong. The moon's orbit has changed. It's moving closer. At first, the difference is tiny, barely measurable. But after running the numbers again, every observatory reaches the same terrifying conclusion. The moon isn't just drifting, it's spiraling inward. News spreads around the world within hours. Most people don't panic. The moon has always felt permanent. Surely someone made a mistake. But they didn't. Week 1. The tides begin to change. As the moon moves closer, its gravity grows stronger. High tides become unusually large. Some coastal roads begin flooding during normal high tide. Ports temporarily close. Scientists warn this is only the beginning. The moon controls Earth's tides, bring it closer. And the oceans respond. Millions living near the coast are told to prepare for severe flooding. 1 month, the sky changes. Now, everyone can see it. The moon appears noticeably larger. Its brightness increases. The night sky never looks completely dark anymore. People gather outside, taking photos, watching history unfold. Some remain hopeful. Others begin leaving coastal cities. Governments activate emergency plans. But nobody has a solution. The laws of physics cannot be negotiated with. 2 months. Earth starts to shake. The moon doesn't only pull on the oceans. It also pulls on Earth's crust. The increased gravitational force creates enormous stress inside the planet. Earthquakes become more frequent. Volcanoes begin erupting across the globe. Some of the largest fault lines awaken simultaneously. Cities already dealing with flooding now face collapsing buildings and damaged infrastructure. Power grids fail. Air travel is disrupted. The disaster is no longer coming. It's already here. 3 months. The oceans rise. High tide is now unlike anything in recorded history. Some waves reach dozens of meters high. Entire coastlines disappear beneath the water. Millions of people move inland. Traffic stretches for hundreds of kilometers. Countries struggle to provide food, water, and shelter. Meanwhile, the moon continues getting larger every single night. It now dominates the sky, a constant reminder of what's approaching. 4 months, global collapse. The world's economy begins breaking apart. International shipping nearly stops. Many ports are underwater. Food shortages spread. Communication networks become unreliable. Governments declare states of emergency. Scientists calculate the impact date. Humanity finally knows exactly how much time remains. The countdown begins. Final week. The sky is filled by the moon. The moon now fills a huge portion of the sky. Its craters are visible without telescopes. It creates enormous tides several times each day. Entire regions flood repeatedly. The gravitational forces become so extreme that mountains begin collapsing. Massive landslides bury towns. The planet itself is being pulled apart. People everywhere look upward, knowing they're watching the last week Earth will ever exist as they know it. Final day. The last sunrise. The final sunrise arrives. Across the planet, billions of people know it may be their last. Some spend the day with family, others gather in places of worship. Many simply sit outside, watching the moon. It now appears unimaginably large, larger than anything humans were ever meant to see in the sky. Earth's tides have become giant moving walls of water. Earthquakes shake nearly every continent. The atmosphere fills with ash from volcanic eruptions. Nature itself seems to know something enormous is about to happen. Impact. Then it happens. The moon collides with Earth. The energy released is beyond comprehension. The impact instantly vaporizes both the moon and much of Earth's surface. A fireball, larger than continents, expands into space. Shockwaves race around the planet faster than sound. The atmosphere is blasted away. Molten rock is thrown thousands of kilometers into space. No city survives. No ocean remains. Within minutes, Earth becomes an ocean of magma. The planet is completely transformed. The aftermath. For millions of years, the remains of Earth cool. Debris from the collision continues orbiting the planet. Some escapes into space forever. Some eventually falls back to the surface. whether a new moon forms or Earth remains alone. Depends on how the debris settles over time. The world humanity knew is gone forever. Thankfully, this scenario is only hypothetical. The moon is not falling toward Earth. In fact, it's slowly moving away from us, about 3.8 centimeters every year. That means each year, the moon ends up a little farther from Earth than before. So while the idea of the moon crashing into our planet makes for an incredible thought experiment, it's not something we need to fear. But it does remind us of something extraordinary. Our planet's stability depends on an incredible balance of gravity, motion, and distance. Change just one of those, and the world could become almost unrecognizable. The moon has watched over Earth for billions of years, and if the laws of physics continue as they are, it will keep doing so for billions more.